Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel and wondering what niche to pick, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 10 niches on YouTube that have proven to be the most popular and profitable. So, let's get started. Number 1. Gaming. Gaming is one of the most popular niches on YouTube, with millions of people playing video games and watching others play them. You can create content like game reviews, walkthroughs, and gameplay highlights to attract a loyal audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Number 2. Beauty and fashion. Beauty and fashion have become increasingly popular on YouTube, with beauty influencers and fashion gurus sharing tips, tutorials, and product reviews. You can create makeup tutorials, product reviews, and fashion hauls to attract a dedicated audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 3. Personal finance. Personal finance has become more important as people look for ways to save money and invest wisely. You can create content like budgeting tips, investment strategies, and debt reduction techniques to help your viewer improve their financial situation. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 4. Travel. Travel is a popular niche on YouTube, with creators sharing their adventures and experiences with their viewer. You can create content like destination guides, travel vlogs, and adventure experiences to attract an engaged audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 5. Technology. Technology has become an integral part of our lives, and technology channels have become popular on YouTube. You can create content like gadget reviews, tech news updates, and tutorials to attract a tech-savvy audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you're finding this video helpful, so please. Number 6. Food and cooking. Food and cooking channels have grown in popularity on YouTube, with creators sharing recipes and cooking tips with their viewer. You can create content like recipe tutorials, cooking hacks, and food reviews to attract a food-loving audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 7. Health and wellness. Health and wellness have become more important, and wellness channels have grown in popularity on YouTube. You can create content like workout routines, healthy eating tips, and mental health advice to attract an engaged audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 8. DIY and crafting. DIY and crafting channels have become popular on YouTube, with creators sharing tutorials and crafting ideas with their viewer. You can create content like DIY projects, crafting tutorials, and home decor ideas to attract a creative audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Number 9. Education. Education channels have grown in popularity on YouTube, with creators sharing their knowledge and expertise with their viewer. You can create content like academic lessons, language learning tutorials, and skill-building workshops to attract a curious audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 10. Entertainment. Entertainment channels have become popular on YouTube, with creators sharing funny videos, pranks, and challenges with their viewer. You can create content like comedy sketches, parodies, and music videos to attract an entertaining audience. You can make money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 10 niches on YouTube. Of course, there are many other niches that you can explore. If you find this video helpful, so please like the video and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.